Welcome to Tao Tea Leaf. I'm Tao, a certified tea sommelier. I'm delighted to share our tea passion for tea with you. Today, we are going to taste Puer tea from Jing Mai mountain. It's a fermented Puer. It's also called ripe Puer or cooked Puer. We also have a green Puer version of from the same region. Please check our website. This Puer is compressed to a square shape. Each piece is 5 grams. The grade of this puer is third grade, which is one bud with 3 leaves. Because for the fermented puer, a Shou cha, it have to go through a fermentation process. If we use higher grade, after the fermentation process, the tea is not strong enough. We choose the second grade for our green puer. Then we choose the third grade for our fermented puer, which is this one. We are going to taste this tea today. So before we start, we're going to warm up all the tea we're going to use for make this tea. And we are going to make this tea in a Gai one, which is a very traditional Chinese tea set. And today I'm combined with a professional cupping set because this is glass. It's easy for me to show you the color of the tea. With the teaspoon here, it's easy for me to smell the aroma. The Gai one is still very hot. I put the tea here, I slightly shake it. The raw material we use for this tea is from 2019 spring. It's more than 6 years. This one has a nice, deep, woody and hint of sweetness. The first thing we're going to do a quick rinse. So I add some water, not full to the top. Then I pull out right away. The most important thing is the heat and the moisture to get the tea ready for the first steep. And as you can see, it's still like a square shape. Now I'm going to do the first steep. Usually for the first steep I would do about 40 to 50 seconds. This tea, when I traveling, I like to carry this tea with me. Special for this one, I actually take to camping, take to Mexico, take to Dominican, because when I travel to those kind of trips, usually we will eat a lot, make you feel better, help your digestion after these kind of big meals. Now the tea is ready. You want to smell from the Gai one, and don't smell directly when it's too hot because the steam may hurt you. And we let the lid cool a little bit. We can smell from here. This has a very nice aroma from the tea. And when I smell the steep leaf, it has a nice, earthy, woody, but very pleasant. And you can even smell the full body. At the end, when the temperature drops a little bit, you can smell the sweetness. Also, first I want to show you this color, and as you can see, it's dark but it's clear. That's very important because that's a good sign of a good quality of fermented puer. The second thing is I want to smell from the spoon. Now from the spoon, I don't get that much woody, earthy kind of like smell. I smell very sweet, sweet like honey. First sip is very smooth. It's easy to drink. It's not too over strong. It's a very nice balance of the taste. If you have this tea at home, serving yourself or with your family friends after a big meal, everybody will like it. I'm going to make the second one. Second one, I will do 15 to 20 seconds, a little bit shorter. So now, from the second steep, the woody and earthy smell is become mild. even when you smell from the tea directly, you get cool, minty, and sweetness smell. As you can see, the second steep is still dark but clear. That's important. Now, the second steep even better balance compared to the first steep. It's have a very complex taste and full body, uh, and good aftertaste. The mouth feels savory, very nice mouth feeling, pleasant aftertaste. This tea is very good for people who like the fermented puer because it is very easy to drink, easy to steep. When I go camping after dinner, I share this tea with on the table. Everybody cannot stop to drinking more because it does help the body feels better after a big dinner. And the tea itself is from a region called the Jing Mai mountain. Jing Mai is very famous tea origin in China. Lots of old ancient tea tree there. Myself, I took tea lover from Canada, visit that origin few times. Drinking this tea, it reminds me the trip I was there. So this tea is a very nice tea. I would recommend to anybody who want to explore the Puer. This tea, the raw material is from 2019. It's more than 6 years now. What which make this tea has no any of this unpleasant smell and taste. It leaves the tea a very good balance, clean smell, clean taste, full body, and nice aftertaste. Now it's the third step. I can still smell the sweet from the spoon. If you are a tea lover who like very strong taste, you can also put 2 pieces of this puer when you make this. Don't put more than 2 because it will become too strong. This is also an organic tea. This is the fourth step. When you make this tea at home, you can make more than 4 times, probably up to 6 times. You can also make this tea in a regular teapot, anywhere from between 8 to 16 ounce, or the tea mug. You can still use 1 piece of this tea. 1 piece is 5 grams. Steep up to 3 times. I hope this video will help you to choose the right tea for yourself. If you have any question, feel ask contact us. We are happy to answer any question you have. Thank you.